Go. Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is DJ McCoy. I don't even know my name.
Why, man?
Yeah, what's
Stop
up?
using drugs.
I ain't using drugs. My name is DJ McCoy, and yeah, we're in RX 93.1 Studios. Right now, we're doing Remix Fridays live on radio. You can hear us live via the website, right? We have a website, www.rx91.com. We have Ustream running as well. And this is what I do every Friday nights. And tomorrow night, Saturday, I'll be at the Fort. I'm doing establishment.
Who are you doing? Who?
No, I have a gig at establishment. Yeah.
Who are you gonna do?
You can check me out. Follow me on Twitter. I keep it updated wherever I am. I'm playing gigs. I have gigs in clubs. I do events like weddings, debuts, corporate events, everything. Plus this radio show. Yeah. We're cooking something big for this month. Yeah. Check it out. I got my own Facebook account. You can follow me on Facebook, DJ Space MCCOY. Look it up on Facebook and on Twitter, www.twitter.com/DJ McCoy. That's one word, DJ MCCOY. Peace.